here is the results. It looks really good. We are gonna test out this viral Japanese cheesecake that I've seen all over TikTok. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take natural Greek yogurt, and I made dog-friendly peanut butter banana cookies. If you remember from my very first video that I've done with the dogs, they were the banana peanut butter and coconut flour treats. So I kind of made them in the shape of the Biscoff cookies. I got Greek yogurt here. I know in the videos they use Siggy's, but I couldn't find that at my local Farm Boy, so I have this instead. So what we're gonna do is put some in a bowl, smooth it all out, like so. You want to smooth it all out, and then take the peanut butter cookies, dog friendly of course, and I've seen on the videos where they kind of just line everything up like that. So let's do that. Not sure how many will fit in here. And of course the rest I'll give to the dogs. And then we have this. Kind of looks like the viral videos that I've seen online. But of course this is for the dogs. So dog friendly version. And what we're probably going to do is just set this in the fridge, and I'll probably give it to them for dinner. In the meantime, the dogs are waiting for the cookies. So let's give them some cookies. Here you go. I think this is their favorite, because if you guys remember the first video that I'll link below if you guys want to watch it, they went ham. Well, Jessi ran away with it, and Fredi wanted to run away with it too. Maybe I have to break pieces together. But here is the results. It looks really good. Want to smell it? Ooh. Okay, so I got a couple of spoons, and I'm gonna see if I can mimic what everybody else that I've seen. I don't know if it's gonna work. No. Not really. That's okay. We'll just give them like that. There you go. So, let's see if they'll like it. Okay. Relax. Okay, I guess they're sharing. There you go. So I'm kind of sad I didn't get that viral thing that people have been doing, but let me give this a try. Kind of smells like peanut butter. And it's not bad. I made this for the dog, so of course it's not going to be sweet. Yeah, it's not bad. There we go. I think the dogs are loving the yogurt. Yeah, the dogs love it. I actually don't mind it because, again, I cut out processed sugars, so I actually really don't mind that it's not sweet. I know some people would probably want a sweeter version, but I don't mind. And this is for the dogs, so we can't give them anything like that, so they love it. Yeah. Wow, Fred. I guess it's paws up for them. This is good. It's very good. I like how easy it is too. It's just basically plain Greek yogurt. You do have to make the dog cookies yourself, but all it is just banana, coconut, flour, and natural peanut butter. That's all it was. I think maybe Jesse's. Oh, are you upset because he's taking yours? Okay. Somebody keeps hiccuping, and I don't know which dog it is. Actually, I'm gonna have some myself. You don't want it? Yeah. It's not bad. Oh, I think she wanted to burp. Yeah, this is really good. What happened, Jessie? I don't know why she's so upset. It's yours. There we go. God, I love it. I might pay for it later on tonight when they go to the bathroom, but I will. Okay, you okay? My God. Yeah. I guess the dogs are full, happy, and are happy with the product. All right. You guys are happy? That's it for the video. Subscribe.